Car Story research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include adaptive cruise control, leather seats, rear heated seats, ventilated seats. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2024 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.